Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. And if you want to learn how to make money with your tech, get some tips, tricks, see some cool projects and some how-to videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a thing when we release a new video. Talk about a new app I don't think I've seen out, and this app claims to be the biggest paying app out there today, so let's check it out. It is called Big Cash. Let's open this up. Now, we've been doing this for a little bit. This thing claims to pay out the biggest on earning points, and earning the points, you can see $15 for only 2,500 coins or points for $15 in PayPal cash. That is actually quite good. And if we come over here to the earn, you get 10 coins just for checking in every single day, and you get 1 point for every video you watch, which is unlimited videos, but you do have a max amount of 1,300 videos per year redeem. So about half, a little bit over half of your earnings can come from watching videos. But let's go ahead and jump on down to another way you can earn some money here. And they recommend down here, they have an instructions guide on how to make money. And really, if you go in there, the instructions are do their offers and invite as many people as possible. So they put a contest in saying you can win $1,000 on whoever invites the most. So this app could become a big deal if it actually earns. We will definitely find out if it earns and pays, and if you receive payment. You get 200 coins for inviting 5 people after they earn 600 coins, which really isn't that hard for anybody to do. You can come down. They got the featured offers. They got AdSend Media, Offer Toro, Ad Medium Network. So they've got some of the normal ones. And if you don't want to do that, you can earn some quick coins by jumping on and sharing this on your WhatsApp if you have it, or Facebook or Twitter. And if you're on our Twitter page, you would already know about this app because we shared it there. So we checked that out. So let's check out the invites friends tabs and how that works. Now, if you have not heard of this app and you're going to download it, shameless plug here, you could use that invitation code to help us out, and we will earn 20% off of whatever you do and 10% off of anybody you refer. I'm interested to see if this will work. If you already have this application, let's get on over here. So if you have an invitation code or anything good to say or bad or ugly to say about this app, put them down in the comments, and we will use your invitation code to receive, so that you can receive an extra 70 coins, and so can we. So if more than one of you guys put your invitation code down below, we will use a randomizer to pick one of your comments to use your invitation code. That's the fairest way we can think of to do it, and we will put the rules to that down below as required by YouTube. Blah. So the last tab is more to contact them for help, for their privacy policy, their terms of service, and their data collection. Okay, guys, under the user conduct session, the most important things are number 1 and 2, I believe. Everything else is pretty standard. Number 1 is you can acquire any rewards or of items valued through the use of botnets or automation means, or through deception or misrepresentation of any respect. In other words, they don't want you to set FREP up on this and run their videos. Anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, smash that like button. And remember, today's what you make it. Let's make it a good one.